language processing. My name is Sagar V Mareguddi. My course is CP15 from M2 section, Dharwad. Introduction. What is NLP? Natural language processing is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate natural language, which is the language used by the humans in everyday communication. NLP aims to bridge the gap between the human language and machine language, allowing computers to process and interact with text or speech in manner similar to humans. How does it work? NLP involves a range of techniques and algorithms to enable machines to perform tasks related to the natural language. These tasks include natural language understanding, natural language generation, machine translation, text summarization, question answering system. And what are advantages of this NLP? It facilitates efficient information retrieval from the large textual data, analyzes sentiment and opinions of the customer, feedback, and brand reputation, power languages translation for cross-lingual communication. Automatically, it generates the concise summaries of lengthy documents, extracts structured information from unstructured text, enables natural and intuitive human-computer interaction. Applications like voice assistants like which we daily use Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Cortana, so many. NLP to understand the response to voice commands, providing information, setting reminders, playing music, and performing various tasks. Text messaging and autocorrect are other application. Is the another application. NLP algorithms are employed in text messaging applications and keyboards to suggest and autocorrect words and phrases based on context, improving the accuracy and efficiency of the written communication. And many more applications like language translation, smart assistant, document analysis, online searches, predictive text, automatic summarization, social media monitoring, chatbots, and many more. Conclusion for this is that the NLP reduces the communication gap between the system and the user. Thank you.